What if Kishu, what sits at a current price right here, hits and gets to the price of Shiba? It's quite possible in the future, and let's go ahead and do some scenarios and some comparisons to see what that looks like. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. What if Kishu hit the Shiba price, the current price right now? That will definitely change your portfolios. So let's go ahead and dive in. But before I do this, you got to look into this. If you don't have a Webull account already, I'm not sure what it's stopping you doing that right now. Shiba is going on Webull, and this is going to be something to look forward to. Now, when you click on the link below, when you sign up for your Webull account, if you spend just $5, you'll be eligible for 2 stocks up to a value of $2,000 or more. So you go ahead, get ready for the Shiba launch on Webull, and why not enjoy some stocks along the way? So let's go ahead and finish diving into the content as well. Now, what if Kishu hit the Shiba price? And now I think Kishu has a lot of potential. I was on their Twitter page and they're doing marketing. The marketing is one of the best things they do for Kishu and now Tinshi. So I was like, okay, with all the marketing and the development that they're doing a great job in terms of the actual coin. But I looked at this. What if Kishu get to the Shiba price? And I do believe that is quite possible in the future. Now, I did a scenario of when Kishu was a year ago. A year ago, they hit this price and they had 9 zeros, and I just put in $300. What happens if I invested $300? How many tokens would I get? Well, I get this amount of tokens back in the day, which is just 1 year ago for Shiba. But today, you can get quite a bit of Kishu coins or tokens with only $300. Look how many you get. So I'm thinking, okay, what would the price look like just with a $300 investment? And so one scenario comparison that I did here, I'll go ahead and lift over the curtains. Okay, unhide the rows. Kishu with Shiba current price will get you $2.7 million with a $300 investment in today's prices that will go into Shiba's price. So with Kishu price now, with Shiba's price today. Now that's taking away 4 zeros from the current price. And remember, Shiba did it in 1 year, and doesn't mean Kishu can't do it, especially with the great marketing and the things that they got going on with the development space. Now, if I'm playing around with the price, and remember, this is actually the current price of Shiba. So let me go ahead and do it. I can go actually, again, I could take the price here of Shiba, copy right in here. Look at this. Boom, $2.7 million. Now, if I say, you know what? I only have, think about this. Let's say you only have $50. $50. Look what it does. $50 will get you $455,635. And that's what a $50 investment with your Kishu and Shiba's price, what it is today. That's pretty phenomenal. But what about, I'm going to go ahead and do a $1,000 investment. Look at that. Okay, I got a little bit extra money to invest into. My investment is $9 million from a $1,000 investment. And that's with Kishu hitting Shiba's price, what it is right now. So it gives you something to look for, and look how many tokens you get. Look how much revenue profit you get. And let's say you say, you know what? I've got $10,000. Look how much that is. Oh my God. Let's say I want to put in $10,000. Look how much that is. $91 million. $91 million. Now, it's a lot of factors that goes into this. The market cap has to be a certain price. The actually market has to be on fire overall. And Kishu definitely have to be moving in a positive direction, which I believe they will do in the future. I like to do these scenarios to think, okay, when you hodl and hold and do your research and just believe in the actually token and the possibilities, things like this could possibly happen. So let's say we'll do one more scenario. $5,000, $45 million. Now, what you can do with $45 million, you could probably buy a little island. I don't know, buy a little Timmy. Hey, buy a little Timmy, the whole city of a different country. So anyway, so that's what I want to talk about is the fact is Kishu has the potential hitting Shiba's prices. Remember, they're taking away 4 zeros from the current price because Shiba was at this price and now they're at this price, which is phenomenal. It's unbelievable, and that's the possibilities as well. So take a look at this. Hey, you may fit in this category. You may be the person that only invested $200 in Kishu today and say, you know what, I'm gonna hold for a year or 2 or 3 or 4 years, whatever long it takes to knock off 4 zeros off the current price, and you may have $1.8 million. So not financial advice, but this is something to really look for as well. Now, I'm excited because I'm investing in Kishu and Shiba as well. And let's see what happens. All right, my name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Before you go, don't forget to get your stocks from Webull as well. Webull is going to be partnered with Shiba, and Shiba is going to be on Webull very, very soon. Click on the link below. Get signed up for your free account or your free account on Webull. But when you invest into $5, you'll get eligible for some stocks that's valued at $2,000 or more. I'll see you on the next video. I can't wait to see you again.